just in case. Okay. Let him go. Let him go. My gun did not fire again. I am absolutely disgusted. The same shells.
Wow.
Came in perfect.
I can't believe it.
We're sitting in state land where my dad and Chad both shot a turkey last year, and Wes is like, why don't we try here today? Came in after we drove around for an hour because it's freezing out. Got in here, Wes called and one gobbled, and we set up. He came right in, and my gun misfired for my second turkey season in a row. To have a misfire when a nice tom comes right in. So that tops it off. I mean, I guess it was not meant to be. And this box of shells is officially going in the garbage can, because that's 2 times on video that Wes has my gun misfiring.
Wow.
I don't get it.
There's nothing you can do about that.